Hey y'all, it's Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day. I'm wearing my clip-ins, my KINKY straight clip-ins, and I want to do something different. So far, I already got my clip-ins put in, so I'm just trying to fix the front. Ooh, I like it, guys. I like it, and I like how natural it looks. So I'm gonna try to straighten my hair a little bit more because I didn't really straighten it that much before I put it in this ponytail. But guys, look at it. I love it. So I'm just gonna add this last clip in just to make it a little fuller in the back. So okay, y'all. So I'm really running out of time, y'all. I don't even have time to do my makeup like I wanted to. So I'm really irritated. I'm gonna do my edges because they look raggedy. A little makeup on, but I don't really have time to do a whole face like I wanted to. Probably just a little foundation. Not even no makeup at all, y'all, because I forgot I am one of them. You know, normally I don't wear makeup, but it's Valentine's Day, so I need to do something special. But I might just put on lashes and lip gloss and call it a day because I really don't have time. I never really did my makeup account for you guys before, so don't judge me. I have my makeup for you guys. I like stuff. I do those videos every day, so yeah, you guys watching. So I currently do not have a boyfriend. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know why I'm laughing because like it just sounds so sad. But yeah, I don't have a boyfriend right now. Basically, until I find the right one, I'm gonna continue to be single. And I'm fine with being single on Valentine's Day because at least I still got my dignity. And so before I put my foundation on, I'm just gonna put some edge control on first. I really do not like you guys watching me do my edges because I suck at them. Okay, I'm gonna put on some face primer. And as you guys can see, I didn't do my edges like dramatic or anything. It's just very simple because like I said, I'm not that good at edges. And I'm really running out of time, guys, honestly. Trying to film this and rush at the same time. I'm gonna put on my NARS foundation. I could take a brush and blend it. Y'all, I'm so annoyed because I really don't have time. Anyways, let's put this concealer on. Contour. Let's blend. Forgot my nose. Okay, y'all, I got a bunch of setting powders, but I'm gonna use this one. What's really pissing me off is that I cannot find my setting spray. Bruh. Y'all have no idea how pissed I am, bro. I cannot find my spray. Oh my god. Let's add blush. Highlighter. Oops. Now, lashes. Okay, guys. This is my makeup and hair I have to go and change. I'm really running late. So see you guys in my next video. If you like the video, follow me for more. These are my kinky straight clip-ins. Website is in my bio. I hope I didn't miss anything. Peace.